I'm sick of thinking of you all the time. 'Cause I can't seem to get you off my mind. I'm begging you to see it right. I'm begging you to
Sunday fun day. What y'all doing on Sunday today? What's poppin', y'all?
'cause I can't seem to get you off my
Hope you had a fantastic Halloween weekend. Stay safe, baddies. Ditch it up. When in doubt, talk it out.
mind. Thinking of you all the
Don't freak out, talk out.
'cause I can't
This
seem
is
to
T Dog. My boy. Hey, look at that. You want to say anything to the people?
Get lit.
Get
It's
lit.
your Sunday. Take it easy. Recover. And come back next week, bro. Better than ever.
Peace.